Good morning, students. In my last video, your second lesson of history was going on. Name of the lesson is early human. In the early time, early men wandered from one place to another place in search of food, shelter, and suitable climate. After that, they need society or community for their security and to hunt animals collectively. Archaeologists excavate or explored and found many sites such as Bhimbetka, Karnool Caves, Hansgi, etc. They lived there and made many tools. I had told you in my last video that about archaeologists. A person who explored or excavate the surface of the earth and found many objects, many things such as pots, tools, buildings, weapons, etc. At first, I am going to tell you about Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka is a place in Madhya Pradesh. There were a number of rock shelters. Archaeologists discovered a number of rock shelters decorating with different pictures and symbols. Early men drawn pictures of hunting wild animals or pictures of religious symbol. After that, Hansgi is a place in Karnataka. The land between river Krishna and Bhima. A number of tools were found. Some of the tools were made from limestone, which were locally available. After that, sites. Sites are places where past cultures are found, such as pot, tools, buildings. Sites are places where past cultures are found. Such as tools, pots, and buildings. After that, habitation sites. Habitation sites. Habitation site is a place where early man lived. A place where early man lived. After that, work site. A place where early man made tools of stone. Where early man made tools of stone. Sites are places where past cultures are found, such as tools, pots, and buildings. Habitation sites, a place where early man lived. Work site, a place where early man made tools of stone. After that, habitation come work site. Habitation come work site. A place where early man lived and made stone tools. That place is known as habitation cum work site. After that, discovery of fire. Discovery of fire. Early man discovered fire accidentally. Perhaps historians thought that they rubbed two stones together and a light produced. It was the first fire. Some historians thought that two trees stuck together and light produced. That was the first fire. They used fire at different ways. Number one is to scare away wild animals. Second is to lighten the caves. Third is to cook meat. After that, a changing environment. Changing environment. Around 12,000 years ago, due to the relatively hot condition or warm condition, a major change the climate of the world. The changing of environment affect the people in the following ways. Number one, this led to the development of grassland. Development of grassland. A number of grass-eating animals increased. They started to rear them. Number two, early man learned their food habits and the breeding season of animals. They began to domesticate the animals. Early man learned their food habits and breeding season of animals. They began to domesticate animals. Number third, early man during this time rice, wheat, barley grew naturally in different parts of the subcontinent. They collected these grains as their food and learned where they grew and when they ripened. During this time, rice, wheat, and barley grew naturally. They collected these grains as their food. Next stage, archaeologists have given different names to the different ages. Number one is Paleolithic age. It extends from 2 million years ago to 12,000 years. Second is Mesolithic age. Mesolithic age is derived from two Greek words. Meso means middle, lithic means stone. It extends from 12,000 to 10,000 years ago. Towards the end of the Mesolithic age, climate began to warm and the glaciers began to melt and the huge animals of cold region died. Now the Neolithic age. Neolithic is also derived from two Greek words. Neo means new, lithic means stone. It is characterized by development of agriculture, human settlement, invention of pottery, etc. That's all, my dear students. I'm going